Hi, Crafty fam. I'm back. Today we are gonna make the cute little acrylic keychain. My hand's clean. So I already have my silhouette. So let's get started. So I have my silhouette set up and my component, and I'm gonna make one for myself, one for my best friend, and one for my mom. We are gonna make 3 keychains in this video. So let's get started. So I already know the limit on this. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna peel all these. I'm gonna peel one from mine for my best friend first, and then I'll be right back. So I peeled it. Ta-da! So now I'm gonna take my vinyl. I'm doing this light. I'm gonna do this. Now you start over the top. I'm gonna do the L in the dark purple. Okay, so now let me measure. Let me cut. Like so. Now I'm gonna peel this off. I'm gonna put it over here by oil just off the floor. I'm gonna measure. Hold on. No. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna load my machine. Like so. And now, I'm making 2 of them just to be safe. And now ask about the hole. Now I'm gonna hit, and I'm gonna make sure they're all 2 inches. Yep. Now I'm gonna hit send. And we'll just cut out the 4 pieces like so. Make sure everything's lined up. Yep. And I'm making sure that my thing is ready. I'm gonna test it. Okay. Now I am gonna send it through. On my hand here, so it's level. I'm the dang it, I have to make them I made them a little too big. I'm the edit them and I'll be right back. Now, let's try this again on the right side. So let's walk. So, now I got the one for my best friend. And I'm gonna take it and take the glass of tape and rub it in. Make sure there are no air bubbles whatsoever. Like so. And now I'm gonna peel it off and put it on the thing. See? Look how cute. Like so. Now we take the flavor and we rubbing it on like so. Make sure there are no air bubbles so we can make it look like this. Like so. We'll just peel it back like so. Ta-da! Ta-da! On camera, look awkward, but my best. Now let me get the other side to the back, like so. Now I'm going to stick my holographic on my wall. So I have mine right here. And then the one for my best friend. Now I'm going to do letters. I have my dark purple loaded. Here's mine, here's my best friend. And now we are going to go to hat. Let's load. So I'm putting on pet. Now I'm going to find a nice font. Literally human font. Like, look at this. So many fonts. So I'll be like that once I pick what font I want. So I found an L that I like and a P. Best friend. So, hold on. Now let me go to send. Yep. And let me cut it out. Let's see if it works. Let me grab my holographic sheet. Let me see here. I think I might have made them big. Actually, no, they're actually perfect. Awesome! They're perfect. Let me run them on. So I finished all my keychains, and here's how mine turned out. What's that one on the camera, but so here's mine, and here's the one I made for my sister. And my friend is washing a squeeze off. And this is the one I made for my best friend. So if you enjoyed this video, please give this a big thumbs up. Comment below if you want more silhouette videos. And subscribe and hit that big red button down there and hit the notification bell so be notified when more videos go live. And I do DIY craft videos and lifestyle videos. Bye, Crafty fam!